Okay, Sprint. All set for Bestie Day?
Here I am.
Do you have your list of bestie fun?
Here.
Ooh, let's see what's on the schedule. We've got running, bounding, leaping, ooh, frolicking. And later, we'll get some ice cream and read stories. But first, we picnic.
Yeah!
Oh no, did you hear that, Sprint? That sound can only mean one thing. Sniffle season is starting.
Oh no!
That means the clinic will soon be packed with sniffly animals.
The Bestie Day!
I hate to say it. Until Sniffle season is over, all of my attention is going to have to be on animals that are sick.
Huh?
Enchantimals, we're besties forever.
I promise we'll celebrate Bestie Day once Sniffle season is over. Now, what should we do first? I need to make a list. We better stock up on Feel Better ice cream.
Ice cream.
I need to make a list of everything we need and get more hospital supplies for all the sniffly creatures. Oh no! Sprint! Did you get the sniffles too?
Big time.
Let's get you snuggled up in a nice, comfy bed. Now, don't you worry. I'm going to take good care of you. I know what you need. Some Feel Better ice cream. How are you feeling, Sprint?
Sprint, Twist and I heard you weren't feeling well, so we brought you some flowers.
Aw, that is so sweet of you two.
It looks like Sniffle season is starting early this year.
I know. And Sprint and I had a bestie day all planned.
Anything we can do to help out, Danessa?
Well, I am running low on Feel Better ice cream. Think you could pop over to the ice cream truck and pick some up from the penguins?
Oh, of course. Twist and I wouldn't mind. Would we, Twist? Twist? Oh, no! Twist!
She must have caught whatever Sprint has. Well, I know just what to do. You two need some rest and plenty of Feel Better ice cream.
Yeah.
There you go. You two take it easy. I'll be back in a flash.
Sounds good as new.
Hey, Prina, Jayla. Danessa sent me for more Feel Better ice cream. Sprint and Twist both have the sniffles, so make it extra Feel Bettery if you can.
You got it.
Hey, what's with the tiny bell?
Oh, that's just to attract customers.
Does it work?
Well, you're here.
Oh, true, but I'm the only one. Your ice cream is so good, there should be a line all the way to the Babbling Brook. Tell you what, you whip me up a scoop of carrot ice cream for the road, and after I drop this off at the animal clinic, I'll come back here to give your sound system some oomph.
Oh, that sounds like a big job.
And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Oh my. We haven't read these in a long time. Oh, they're so dusty. You know, I haven't heard either of you sneeze for a while. I think all of this bed rest is making you better. Oh no, still sneezy. Well then, how about some more pillows? And more ice cream. Oh no, Caper, you two. You need snuggles and ice cream stat.
There. I filled your truck with all kinds of noise-making whatchamajigs and tune them to make the perfect ice cream sound. Jayla, give it a ring. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Try it again. What is that sound?
I don't know, but it doesn't really make me want to eat ice cream.
Okay, it didn't attract customers, but it did attract something, which means we're getting close. Okay, done. Hit it.
Aw, poor Danessa. She's been working so hard.
Who needs ice cream?
Danessa, you need a break. Why don't you let me keep an eye on our besties for a while?
Sage, you're so sweet. But I'm not gonna leave the besties until they're all cured.
They, look pretty cured to me.
Huh? They're not resting in there? They've been faking their sniffles.
Well, I'm marching right in there and telling them the party's over.
Hang on. I have another idea. Up and at 'em! Wake up, wake up, wake up! I was reading through my medical books and realized that you guys do not have the sniffles. You have the super sniffles. Lucky for you, I read all about how to cure super sniffles. We need to get your hearts pumping. First up, let's all head outside for 90 minutes of early morning jumping jacks.
Huh?
Okay, doctor's orders. Let's jump, jump, jump. Okay, great job, you guys. Oh, I bet you're tired. Well, let's all head inside for a rest.
Hey, guys. So Danessa asked me to take away your mattresses.
The firm support is supposed to be great for super sniffles. The fan is great for cooling down your sniffle fevers.
You got them to re-roof the clinic?
Mm-hmm. I told them that the high altitude would be good for them. Okay, I know those last sniffle cures weren't exactly the most fun. But this next cure is something we know you'll love.
Who wants ice cream?
What is this?
It's veggie mush ice cream, a special blend of boiled celery and creamed corn. It'll cure your sniffles in no time.
No, please, we're fine. We're not sick.
Wait, you're not really sick?
No.
You made it all up?
Yes.
Yeah, we know.
We know.
No, we worry.
Apology accepted. Achoo!
Oh, no, Danessa. You got the sniffles. Well, what are you waiting for? Get down to the penguin truck and bring her some feel-better ice cream.
Okay, I think we finally got it. Give it a try, Jayla.
That's the original bell ring.
No, it's not. Listen. Yeah, that's totally the original bell ring. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I let you down. Yes! I did it! could attract customers.
There. The last clue is finished and ready for you to sign. Well, Flap, it's finally the big day.
I can't believe it.
Do you think everyone will be able to solve our puzzles?
Definitely.
Now, you have the most important job of all, to deliver these clues and make sure everybody finds them this morning, okay?
I'm on it.
Enchantimals, we're besties forever. Huh? What? Where?
A dinner.
Ooh. You all got notes too?
So mysterious. What do you think Patter and Flap are up to?
Only one way to find out. Wait!
Why are we waiting? Is something wrong?
No. Waiting a little bit just makes it more suspenseful.
Prepare, dear Enchantimals, for something quite good. A grand adventure through Wonderwood. You'll have to solve clues along the way to celebrate this special day. Oh, how fun!
But try to move quickly. Don't dawdle, dear friends. You must finish our puzzles before the day ends.
Your journey begins finding something that grows. It's really quite simple. Just follow your nose. Well, what do you suppose that means?
Ours is blank.
Blank? Huh. Maybe Patter and Flap made a mistake.
Or maybe it's the first clue.
Follow your nose.
Not sure that's what they want us to do, Sprint.
Wait. Do you guys smell something?
Not me. Gary.
Yearwood blossom.
Huh?
This paper smells like a yearwood blossom. I'd recognize its beautiful fragrance anywhere. Right, Caper?
Oh, yeah, that yearwood blossom. They want us to find a yearwood blossom? But those are nearly impossible to find.
I've never seen a yearwood before. They only blossom for a few short moments, one time a year. Usually around this time, actually. Patter showed us the blossom so we could use its pollen to make medicines at the clinic. Sprint and I know where we can find them.
Well, then what are we waiting for, Enchantimals? Let's move! I don't know where we're going. Danessa, lead the way.
Let's move!
This is so awesome. I've been saying we should go on a big epic adventure. Haven't I been saying that, Caper?
Yep, she has.
The clues said something about today being a special day. Any idea what makes today so important? Well, it's not time for the Wonderwood Festival. That was last month.
Is today a holiday? I think it's Eat All the Berries You Want Day. Twist, there isn't a holiday called Eat All the Berries You Want Day. Well, there could be.
The yearwood blossom.
Wait, better make sure. Yep, that's the one.
What's it doing?
I think it's opening. This only happens once a year. It's so special that we're here to see it. Another clue.
How clever!
What's it say?
For your next clue, you will have to spy some trees that tower in the sky. But don't take long. It's now or never. We know you'll find them. You are very clever.
Very clever?
That's definitely another clue.
Oh, well, there's a place in the woods where Twist and I pick berries for recipes. It's surrounded by some of the tallest trees in Wonderwood.
That's gotta be it. Bree, Twist, lead the way.
This is the place.
Everybody, spread out and see if you can find the next clue.
Find anything yet, Twist? Twist! There's no such thing as eat all the berries you want day.
Great job, Flick.
Flick is still the best finder in Wonderwood.
Oh, thanks.
Onward and upward to find the next clue, the tallest tree offers a bird's eye view. The clue must be at the top of one of these trees.
The ugly nose is the tallest.
I got an idea. Get one! Be careful, Twist!
Wow, look at her go.
You're all so amazing. Now meet us halfway between jungle and wonder by the end of the day.
Between jungle and wonder. Do they mean Junglewood and Wonderwood? Let's see. Junglewood is here. Wonderwood is over here. So halfway between them would be right here.
Great! So that's where we'll find Patter and Flap.
I don't think there's any way to make it there before sunset.
Ignore. If you want to move fast, let us give you a hand. The best way to travel isn't always by land.
Of course! We'll just fly to Patter and Flap. Let's go!
None of us can fly, Sage.
Oh, yeah.
True, but I think I know what they're hinting at. The Babbling Brook. Okay, who's ready for a swim?
When we agreed to this adventure, I don't remember any kind of heads up that we'd have to get wet.
What about that?
That could work.
Junglewood to Wonderwood? That can't be a coincidence.
You're right.
Hey, Twist! I'm really getting the hang of this. Hi, guys! Show off!
Hey, check it out. I didn't even get wet. Ugh, I guess I spoke too soon.
And look, the sun hasn't set. We made it in time.
I remember this place. This is where we first met Patter and Flap.
Wonderful job, you guys. I just knew you'd be able to figure out our clues. So, did y'all have fun today?
Oh, so much fun.
Right? I'm actually kind of sad it's over.
Well, then, you're in luck, because Flap and I have one more puzzle for you to solve. What is so special about today?
It's not berry day, Twist.
Let's see. Oh, we found a flower that only blossoms once a year. Like an anniversary.
There was that clue about Junglewood, which is where Flap and Patter used to live.
And we rode those logs down the Babbling Brook.
Just like Patter and Flap did.
When they first came to Wonderwood.
Today's the 1-year anniversary of you two coming to Wonderwood and becoming our friends.
That's right. Every day we've spent with you has been a great adventure. So Flap and I wanted to give you a fun adventure in return. And the sun hasn't set yet, which means you're just in time.
In time for what?
For the anniversary party, of course.
Oh, wow, we get a party too?
Patter Flap Friendship Anniversary Day just keeps getting better and better.
Guys are the
Friends
best.
forever.
Love you guys.
We love you too.
Enchantimals, the best is forever. Go for it, Twist. It is a very special day.